Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngisathanda ukuthola umbiko la about Oswinapolis. Oswinapolis siyamaso ke bafethu umdlali lo udlalela iPolokwane City. Last season there was a controversy regarding this player. Controversy regarding this player. This player wanted to leave iPolokwane City. This player wanted to leave iPolokwane City and there were two clubs who were racing to sign umdlali lo Oswinapolis. Kwakuyini? Kaizer Chiefs and the Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs and the Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs iyona team engezwe kuthiwa uyayithanda umjidi. Iyona team engezwe kuthiwa wakhule isupport and i-team ayithandayo abafuna ukuyidlalela. Enye i-team Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates iyona team eyayilida ekumsayineni uOswinapolis, but kwaba khona inguquko ngoba ngezwe kuthiwa Orlando Pirates yayisibekile i-deal etafuleni ukuthi iPolokwane City isayine. Kwaba khona inguquko yathi i-management yePolokwane City, no, we don't want to sell this player. We don't want to sell this player. We want to compete in the African competitions. Yabo. They told uPhuthimo Hafe ukuthi Phuthimo Hafe, this player will add quality. We want to qualify for AmaCAF competitions. So Phuthimo Hafe played this boy kule season le. And lo mfana angifuqama akadlalanga kahle kule season. Akadlalanga kahle kule season and leyo nto leyo bayibonile bayireview bathi no man. If lo mfana lo engadlalanga kahle, let's decide to sell this player. So iyona ke situation right now. Iyona situation usalele unyaka owodwa kwecontract yakhe. Next season ngoJune expire contract yakhe with iPolokwane City uzohamba as a free agent if they don't sell him right now. They've decided to sell the player. Between these two teams, kune team eyodwa ezomsayina. Right now, Kaizer Chiefs and the Orlando Pirates are the leading favorites to sign Oswinapolis. Oswinapolis umjida lo ofuna ukuhamba kwePolokwane City. He feels like iPolokwane City imdonsele emuva. He feels like he needs to play kwi-top team la kwi-Betway Premiership. Yena ngokwakhe ufuna ukuyodlala eGoli. Njobe efuna ukuyodlala nje lapha eGoli, akafuni ukuyodlala ePitoli. Ufuna ukuyodlala eGoli, ngizwe kahle ke la. Akafuni ukuyodlala ePitoli. Ufuna ukuyodlala eGoli. eGoli there are two big clubs, Orlando Pirates and the Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates uma afike necontract etafuleni angajoin Orlando Pirates. Uma Kaizer Chiefs ifike necontract right for iPolokwane City abo ebitha Orlando Pirates bangamsign Oswinapolis. So I'm telling you right now, these two teams are the favorites to sign Oswinapolis. Yabo, Orlando Pirates adeke yamfuna Oswinapolis. I don't think izo give up right now ekumsayinini. Iloko nje ngingakusho. Kaizer Chiefs, there are many targets iKaizer Chiefs ewafuna kuleli windi. Ingabe bazowadedela lawo ma-target, ba-target umdlali nabo ade babemfuna. Oswinapolis asazi isizini isayinde bafethu, iwindi lisalide lisazovulwa. Miyabona nje mekuphela lenyanga liyavulwa iwindi. Mekuphela lenyanga liyavulwa iwindi lizolivalwa ngabo September. Yabo siningi isikhathi asazi kuzowenzakalani, but mina ngokwami these two teams okuyichipa abo sethi nje okuyiChiefs neOrlando Pirates iwona ama favorites ukuthi kamsayini. Wangitshela ama comments iyiphi team emdeservayo Oswinapolis. Should Oswinapolis go to iKaizer Chiefs? Should Oswinapolis go to Orlando Pirates? But asas maybe the boy wants to play with CAF competition, CAF Champions League. Mefuna ukuyodlala kwiCAF Champions League angasho. Mefuna ukuyodlala kwiCAF competition angasho, because both of these clubs adlala kuma-CAF competition next season. Kaizer Chiefs CAF Confederations, Orlando Pirates uyodlala kwi-CAF Champions League.